Welcome to the Level Up meditation. In this 10-minute meditation, we're going to be doing what we call mental rehearsing. So go ahead and find a comfortable cross-legged seated position, just resting your hands on your lap or on your knees, and allow your spine to be nice and tall. Let the shoulders soften back and down, just so that you feel comfortable and you feel at ease. And then from here, go ahead and close the eyes. Take a deep inhale through your nose. And then out the mouth, exhale, just sigh it out. Two more like that. Inhale deep through the nose. And then out the mouth, exhale, let it go. One more time. Inhale, fill your lungs up with breath. And exhale, empty the lungs, just let it go. Just allow your breath now to just find a natural, effortless rhythm. And then I'd like to invite you to bring into your mind a physical goal that you have for this Level Up 108-day journey. Something that you would like to obtain, something realistic, something that just really feels like if you obtain this, it would instill greater confidence, self-esteem. Choose something physical. And then begin to visualize yourself having achieved this physical goal. See yourself, imagine yourself. What would it feel like to have had this happen? How would you feel? What kind of person would you be? See yourself just moving through your life, just moving through the normalcy of life, that physical goal intact. How might it affect your relationships? How might it affect the way that you just walk from one place to another? How would you carry yourself and hold yourself up? Beautiful. And then from here, just let that physical goal go. And now I'd like to invite you to reflect upon a goal for your mind, a mental goal, a mental intention for your Level Up program. Whether that's for you to be more at peace, more steady, more clear, more spacious in the mind. It could be whatever you want it to be. And begin to visualize as if this was happening right here, right now. And with your mind in that enhanced state, again, just see yourself moving through your life and how this would affect the way that you perceive the world, the way that you performed at work, the way that you were present with your loved ones, your family, your friends. Feel yourself as if this is happening right here, right now. As we do this meditation, these visualizations, you are taking responsibility of what it is that you want to create for yourself. kind of path you want to create, the person that you want to be. Because you always have a choice. You can either be a victim of your external circumstances, or you can be the writer of your own script. Now letting that mental goal go. Now reflect upon an emotional quality, an emotional intention of what you would like to align with throughout this journey. This may be more compassionate, more kind, more loving. What is it for you? This may be to have a heart that's more open, not so closed and disconnected from others. It might be to be courageous, to move beyond your fears, your comfort zone. And then feel this emotional quality. Feel that frequency, feel that energy just resonating through every cell in your body. You see, your brain sends out a signal throughout the entire bodily system. And each cell in your body has a little antenna called an IMF protein. And that's picking up information of what it is that your brain's broadcasting through the field of your body. So what are you broadcasting right now from your heart? And allow those cells to just tune into that frequency. And then imagine yourself, mentally rehearse yourself moving through your day, going to work, being at home, doing the things that you love and enjoy, embodying that emotional quality. Nice and easily, just let that go. Take a deep inhale through the nose. And then out the mouth, exhale, just let it go. Now for the last part of this meditation, continuing to keep the eyes closed. Just repeat the phrase after me, silently and internally. The first phrase is, I embrace challenges. Repeat that a few times on your own. I embrace challenges. Now, second phrase, I focus on effort and never the outcome. I focus on effort and never the outcome. Repeat that silently inside. Third phrase, I'm at peace with imperfection. I'm at peace with imperfection. Fourth phrase, I know anything is possible. I know anything is possible. Like a soft whisper, just repeat that. And then the last fifth phrase, I'm enjoying the journey. I'm enjoying the journey. Beautiful, you guys. Those are our 5 to thrive commitments here. The level up. Take a deep inhale through the nose. And out the mouth, exhale, let it go. And as you're ready, slowly open up your eyes. Keep showing up, keep leveling up, and see you on the mat.